Very unfortunate no na wala talagang symptom ang kidney problem. Ang symptoms ng mga kidney problem would usually come pag medyo late na or malala na yung problema sa kidney. So the usual referrals that we get from other doctors would be minsan nakakakita ng abnormal urinary findings in routine urinalysis result, like bakit laging may protein yung urine, bakit laging may blood yung urine, or minsan may konting pagtaas ng creatinine. So that's the usual referrals that we get. Unfortunately lang talaga, wala talagang simptomas especially during the early stages of kidney disease. Kaya important talaga na annually, routinely nakakapagpa-check up kasi baka doon yung natin ma-pick up yung earliest possibility na baka may problema sa kidneys.
Okay, so sana malinaw yun sa lahat kasi minsan parang scary for them na meron na akong kidney problem tapos it equates already to dialysis, di ba?